All right. I'm going to take you some few minutes and take you through how to trade on forex market. Before I go on, I need to introduce you to Futurepip. Futurepip is an online forex brokerage firm, and then we provide you clients with over 6 different trading platforms, and then that will enable you to trade on forex, equity, commodities, and then ETF, and then options, and then basically for you to access global market. For you to have more detailed information about forex trading and then Futurepip, you could log on to www.futurepip.net. Okay, great. So let me show you basically the areas to be looking into, and that is an introduction to online forex, practice of online forex trading with Futurepip, which happen to be a forex brokerage firm like I've said to you earlier. Okay, so introduction to online forex. But the question is, what is forex? Forex simply means foreign exchange. We could call it FX, you could call it Forex. It's basically an acronym meaning foreign exchange. And then it is the largest and most liquid financial market in the world, and it has over daily turnover of about 4 trillion US dollar. I mean, you can imagine how great and big the market is. And then what is forex trading? We said that forex trading is, this is market arena in which the currency of one country is exchanged for those of another, and where settlement for international businesses are made. And so you could say it is trade between two counterparts, and you could call it OTC, meaning over the counter. And we have about 4,500 currency trading institutions across the globe. Alright, so who are the participants of this market? We talk about international banks, you talk about government central banks, you talk about commercial banks, you talk about hedge funds, you talk about mutual funds, talk about brokerage firms like Futurepip, and then we have a couple of retail traders, and then etc. Alright, so let me show you how the market structure looks like. The market is a decentralized market, and so for instance, I have Jen, I have Shirley Buff, I have John, Warren Buffett, Pip Crawler, and these people are categorized under retail traders. And then I have ECM brokers, which are big brokers. I have market makers, which are also part of brokers. And then I have Bank 1, Bank 2, I have Bank 3, and then so many of them. And then I have router machines. Okay, I have EBS. And these are interrelated, interconnected to each other to form the market called forex market. Alright, how does forex trade works? And so practically you need to realize that for currency it is a commodity. Alright, and when we say commodity, it means that, just like every other commodities, it is traded, and it is the fluctuation of a currency against another that forms forex trading. And so forex traders, be institution, retail forex traders, and so they look to earn a profit from the move in the FX rate. In other words, when a currency of another country gains strength against its counterparts, then we said that the currency has appreciated against the other counterparts, and so the forex trader look to make profit on appreciation. And when another currency depreciates or lose value against another currency, we say that the market forex or the currency has depreciated, and a forex trader sells that very currency. And so when they buy when the currency appreciate, and sell off when the currency depreciate. And this is basically how forex traders make their money. And so they look on the charts, look on the currency. For instance, you're trading euro against US dollar. Okay, and so first you understand that currency has a commodity and the value fluctuates. Okay, now when you trade US dollar, euro against US dollar, now a forex trader is looking on the charts. When euro gains strength against, when euro gains strength against US dollar, he buys euro and sell off US dollar. Okay, and when US dollar gains strength against euro, he sells the US dollar and buy euro. Sorry, he buy the US dollar and sell euro. And so you need to understand that these are basically how forex traders makes their money. But we have major currency pairs and over 170 traded currencies across the globe. Majorly, we have a US dollar euro leading with over 27% represented in the market. We have a US dollar with Japanese yen representing 13% in the market, and we have British pounds against US dollar representing 12% in the market. We have Australian US dollar, we have Australian dollar against US dollar, have about 6%. We have a US dollar against franc Swiss, 5%. We have US dollar against Canadian dollar, 4%. And so this is how you have a lot of them listed. And then I'm going to show you before the end of this class practically everything I'm teaching here. Okay, so we say, what are the benefits of forex trading? Why do we have millions or billions of people trooping in to the forex market? Why has it become one of the fastest growing industry in the world over a decade? And so you need to understand that there is leverage in the market. So you see, in forex trading, a small margin deposit can control a much larger total contract value for each currency. For instance, you have say $100 account, margin account with a broker. This $100 US dollar margin deposit can actually be multiplied to represent hundreds of thousands for you in the market. So you see, now let's look at that there's liquidity, because the forex market is so large, bigger than every other market. You can imagine over 4 trillion US dollar daily turnover, and so it is also extremely liquid. This means that with a click of a mouse, you can instantaneously buy or sell at your own way within couple of microseconds. And I'm going to show you how this thing works on my computer before the end of this class. We see that the market forex traders profit both in rising and falling of markets. So one of the most exciting advantages of forex market is the ability to generate profit whether currency pace is up or down, and you don't find such a thing in equity stock. And so you find that when a currency is appreciating, you are buying, and when currency depreciates, you sell off. So you make money from both rise and fall of the market. We look at the flexibility of the market. The market operates 24 hours in a day. And so the market open on Monday morning, it is market, and then the market close on Friday evening. And so we run from Monday to Friday uninterrupted. And so you got to look this. I'm going to show you this. We have a lot of opportunity, huge amount of opportunity in the market, because you say you can make money when the trend goes up and when trade comes down. So you look at the simplicity of the market. You have varieties, hundreds of technical analysis, indicators on the chart for free, and I mean you could make money like not even equity. Alright, so we look at the low spread. Forex brokers offer varieties of spread. Now spread for some forex brokers are very low to enable their customers make money. For instance, in Futurepip, you could have a spread as low as 0.1, which is the lowest so far in the market. And that's because we want our customers to make money trading big volume, and then so you could find spread very low, comparable, competitive in the forex market than in equity. And then not only that, you realize that you have the trading session across around the clock, like I said. Okay, like this is Sydney market running, is Turkish market running, London market, New York market, and then German market. So let me give you the breakdown of this. You could find out German market. This have been rated in GMT. Okay, so you have say 7 a.m. in the morning, the opening, and then close at 3 p.m. GMT. And then you have London market, open at 8 a.m. GMT and close at 4 p.m. GMT. You have the New York market, open 1 p.m. GMT and close at 9 p.m. GMT. You have Sydney market, Australian market, open at 9 p.m. GMT and close at 5 a.m. GMT. We have Turkish market, open at 11 p.m. GMT and close at 7 a.m. GMT. And so you find market opening and closing at one time or the other. Okay, so you could have more than market, 2 market, 3 market running concurrently. And what does this imply for forex trader? It means that irrespective of your jurisdiction, your time zone, you could open up your computer, log into your internet, and then have your platform running 24 hours. And so if you work, you close, you could trade in night, vice versa. Okay, now let's look at market analysis. How do forex traders, what do they say before they launch into the market? Now you need to understand that forex trading is not gambling, it's a prediction, it's speculative market. And so forex traders, both retail and institution, they look at one factor or the other and then decide when to buy or sell a particular currency or the other. Now I need to let you understand there are some factors that moves markets, and these factors range from natural disaster, okay, war, and then anything that could affect the economy of a particular country whom you're trading this currency has ability to affect the currency you are trading. And you need to understand that every country's economy is represented on the currency, and then you need to understand that this is the same currency you are going to trade to make money. So you need to focus on analysis on economy on a country. Let's say for instance you want to trade US dollar against British pounds. Okay, you need to analyze US economy, you need to analyze British economy, and if you have pound US dollar, what it implies is that when British economy gains strength against US economy, you are meant to buy pounds and sell US dollar. Alright? But when British economy depreciates against US economy, you are meant to sell off pounds and then buy US dollar. I'm going to show you this with a couple of indicators, with a couple of fundamental analysis. Okay, let's look at fundamental analysis. Fundamental analysis is the application of micro and macroeconomic theory to markets to predict future trends. And some major fundamental forces are frequently one of the key drivers of forex rate across different countries. So let's look at some of the factors that moves markets. And some of these factors are trade balance. Trade balance simply means the exports and the import rates. Okay, every country involved in export and importation, and so when a country exports more than do imports, the trade balance becomes positive, and so it tells you that the economy of the country will have a high potential and ability of doing well. And so what do? You buy. Okay? Alright, unemployment rate, which is the measure of the employment or a number of people who are not working among the workforce. In US, it is called non-farm payroll, and it is released in US every first Friday in every month. And you've got each country releasing their unemployment rates data at their own time. So any country you trade, you want to Google and find out the days in a month that the unemployment rate is released, and it is a major trading indicator for fundamental analysts because they focus on look how many people are employed in this country, and of course you need to understand that number of people who are working has a way of influencing the economy of that very country. We've got a lot to say here, but because of time, I'm going to take you down to interest rate, okay, which is controlled by central bank of every country, and it decides how people spend and how people borrow money to spend, and which has a large effect on the currency of that particular country. Let's look on the gross domestic product, which when you put together all the economic activities in that country for a period of 1 year, it forms gross domestic product and is a major indicator in every economy. Consumers price index, which is a measure of how consumers buy, basically spend the money. Producers price index, how manufacturing companies produce products and sell it. House rate, how people like in UK is common, is a major indicator. You need to find out how houses, mortgages, and rest of them, and how do people buy. Okay, let's look on technical analysis. On the technical analysis, I'm going to take you through the charts, okay, after my brief explanation, and show you, pick some of them and place them and see how technical analysts use, but basically you need to understand that it's the use of the past market chart history to predict the future market price. And so a technical analyst do not concern themselves with any why the market moves. Unlike fundamental analysts, they are only interested in the movement themselves so that they could make the prediction, make money. Okay, so could you take a look at this? You have this. This is technical indicators. Okay, so technical analysts, you look at the past, what has happened to the market. You look at the market has been declining, as decline, go up, and so it gives it. And so anytime this indicator appears here, the technical analysts want to take sell. And whenever this indicator appears here, bottom, he wants to take buy and wait for the next appearance. And so this is how you're going to find it. And this is a parabolic star. Whenever it appears here on the top, you want to predict that the market is going down, and then when it's coming down, sell, and when it's going up, he buys. And this is how you're going to find it in different time frames. So I've used this here to show you very few of the technical indicators and how they use the past market price. Look at the past, look at the price, and predict what will happen in future. And this is basically how. So I'm gonna take you through that practically on the platform when I'm done with this session 1 of my training. Okay, let's look at my 6 months performance. I did this for this month, so 6 months: May, June, July, August, September, October, and that's all. And look at my trading P&L, profit and loss, and this is the representation in percentage. Okay, let's say in June I've done very well. I need to let you know that this account of about $1 million US. Okay, and then in May I made 133,297.07 US dollar. That represents 16.50% of my equity. I mean, that was cool. On June I made 228,225.16 US dollar, and that represent my 24.42% of my equity. And so I have it on. September was not good for me, as I made some losses of $6,000, and that represent my 0.85%. Wow, well, that's not too bad, because I've got a lot of profit, and this is very insignificant for me. Okay, and then October I've made, and this amount of money representing 17.30%, and then in total within the space of 6 months of my trade, I've made over 98%. Wow, that's a good money for me. And so what I did, I just had to take some holiday, just suspend trading for some couple of weeks, take some holiday, and then come back, and then I continue in my trading, right? So I need to show you what my friend has done here. This more results. This is my friend. He has made over $5 million US within a space of 36 weeks. He has done absolutely more than me on Futurepip platform. And so, but this my friend is a good trader. I think he's better than me. And then, okay, now I want us to go to the practice of online Forex trading with Futurepip. So I'm going to open up a chart and show you how to trade Forex. This is my platform. Okay, and this is my chart. I have a pounds USD. I have, this is gold, and I have a pounds Japanese yen, euro Japanese yen. I mean, could pick a lot of them from here. I have a lot of them. I can decide to pick the ones I don't have. Say Australian dollar against US dollar. Okay, so what I have to do, I go here chart window, and I have represented here. Okay, this is traditional how it appear. I like candlestick, so I put down candlestick. I want to zoom in so I can get it very clear. Okay, and anything I want to do, I mean, I could, let's say, just want to change it, and so I go to I could decide to change this my background color. I could decide to make my background color anything I like I said, give it this color. This is my white candlestick, okay, which is this. If I like, I can decide to make it blue, anything I like, okay. This is my bar up line, which is this. I can decide to make it so I can start to make it red, okay, and down, which is this. Then decide to make it green, okay. Blue candlestick, which is this. Can decide to make it red, okay. Beer, and yes, can start to make this one green, okay. Oh, okay, let me make this red, okay. Then let me make this bar up and make it white. Okay. Okay, so I can make it anyhow, make it look like anyhow I like. Okay, so this does not matter, it doesn't make me to make money. So now this is the basic thing. Now if say analyze this, okay, so you need to see that this is how say the market is going up, okay. So when pounds gains strength against US dollar, I see the market going up, going up, going up. And so what I'm supposed to do, I'm supposed to buy here, okay. I buy pounds, and what it implies I'm selling US dollar. And so when the market is descending, it means that US dollar, okay, is gaining strength against pounds, so I sell, and then it's on and continue like this. Okay, so let me show you how to pick up indicators. So I come here, I have a lot of them, so I can decide to pick an indicator like say MACD. Okay, I do some settings, I make it on all time frames. I decide where the level, the color, and then it doesn't matter, I just have increase the weight, give it different color. Yes. When I'm done, and then I click OK, and so have it here. Okay, so this is my MACD technique indicators. So I have a lot of them. It's free on the platform, so you could get it free. It's parabolic cell. Alright, you could decide to make it white. Okay, I can make it white, change the properties, come to the color, change this to green to white. I can increase the width, okay, and then I click OK, and then I have it. So you can select them there for free. So I'm going to take a practical trade, okay. So let's say I'm using my technical analysis on pounds, US dollar, we call it cable, and then my parabolics have taken 1, 2, it's detected the market. And so let's say I want to buy pounds, I zoom pounds are gaining weight, strength against US dollar. And so I come here and say new order, right, and then I want to use this, and then I said, look, I'm going to buy market. Very simple. And so I'll just click OK. It's taking me to the market. I need to see my position, and then to see my position, so I'll come in, and so this is my position. Okay, so so I zoom. Pounds, we gain strength against US dollar, so I've taken buy, okay, with a micro lot size of 0.1, and then this is the current profit. And so let's say I want to save my stop loss. Double click. I want to modify markets. Okay, I don't want to close. I want to take some stop loss. Let's say for 20 pips. Yes, and then I want to take my take profit. Let's say 30 pips. Okay. Alright, I want to set my stop loss to 20. And stop loss is here, so I like 20. Then I come to take my take profit. I make it higher because I need to make some money. Take this, and then okay, set my stop loss. I go and set my take profit 50. Okay, so let's say I want to increase this. I can decide to increase it. I can decide to increase this down. So I can adjust that. Adjust it any way you like. Okay, and I can increase it any way you like. Okay, this gives you the flexibility. Okay, so let's say I've set up my take profits, and then any of the pairs I want to trade, I could just open them, right, do analysis on them, and then I take my position. Basically they're the same across. I want to close this, and I think I don't need it. Oh, okay, so I'm going to show you how to get to Futurepip website, and then get your platform for the first time. Let's say you want to download your platform, meta trading platform, and it's for free. So you log on to www.futurepip.net, and then if you need some more information about, you can get some forex trading here, commodity, get more information about different platforms, get more education, become a partner. Okay, let's say you want to download your platform for the first time. Come to on the home page, you click view platforms. So you're gonna see a couple of platforms, okay, and all of them you can get them for free to your PC. So let's say MetaTrader 4, just click download. Okay, and once you click download, it appears. My system is this way, it will appear differently on PC. So all you need to do is click on start downloading, and once it's finished downloading, save on your PC. Then you can run it, and then have a platform like this. And then if you want to open live accounts, something, come here, and then a form will pop up. Just fill the form. Once the form is filled, just submitted. Your account to be created. In account opening department to review your details, and within some couple of minutes your account will be activated and you have the data. And so on our platform, you have more interest on you want to participate on different seminars. Okay, we just attend free seminar. When you made your money, you want to withdraw, you come and click here, it will take you back. When you withdraw, is very important. If you make your money, you want to withdraw, just come and click withdraw. Then you have form pop-up. You just fill information and submitted an account of account department stroke back office. We'll get back to you within 24 to 48 hours and your bank account could be created. Alright, you want to participate in a lot of promotions. We have a lot of promotions. We do a lot of promotions every month. You want to have a free vacation for yourself, get more information about it. Vacation for yourself, travel to anywhere in the world you like, you have your dream fulfilled. Okay, so we let me show you this is how you could get more information on the fundamental analysis. Look at some major factors that move the market every day, released from here. So you could get a couple of them released there, and then it's a lot of them. You open any of them and get more details. Everything you need to see on fundamental analysis, you get them from here. Okay, it's updated automatically. Okay, so okay, you want to become a partner, make some extra money as an IB, become an institutional partner, own a franchise, control a country, a whole lot of them. These are what we can offer you, so you can make extra money for yourself. Get more information on education. Okay, let's see trade instruments, and this is where I'll bring you to the end of the class. Thank you and bye bye.